If you want to learn exactly what are the top 5 products that you can sell to earn an additional $1,000 for your Shopify store, then keep watching this video. What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now, more specifically, if you are looking to learn how to build a Shopify dropshipping business that is capable of making money online, then make sure that you indulge yourself into my YouTube channel where you get to learn all the how-tos, strategies, and even Facebook ad techniques that you can use to create a profitable Shopify business online. Now, in today's video, I wanted to actually share with you the top 5 products that you can start selling before the holiday kicks in so that you can actually make an additional $1,000 or more by selling these products. But before I get into the detail, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So first thing first, when it comes to the holiday season, right after Black Friday and Cyber Monday, people are getting into the buying mode of gifts. After all, with the Christmas season coming up, people are looking for products to buy for their friends, families, and also loved ones. And this is a perfect opportunity for e-com store owners because after all, people want to buy physical products that they can actually wrap it in a gift and give it to their friends and family. Now, according to recent studies, it has been shown that Americans, on average, spends upwards of $900 just during the holidays for gifts. And the average transaction is anywhere from $15 all the way to $25, depending on the people's friendship, right? The closer they are, the more they spend. And if they're just regular coworker, maybe they just spend the $15 mark. But that being said, because people are already thinking about gifts and looking for gift ideas to buy and also to give it to their friends, this is a perfect opportunity for Shopify dropshipping and even e-commerce store owner to really take advantage of this specific season that you can actually make more money. Now, here's one thing that you gotta remember. When it comes to selling online, especially during this Christmas holiday, you are needing to position your ads specifically that you want to let your customer buy it as a gift for their friends and family. So the way that you articulate your ad is going to be a little bit different. Instead of selling to the actual consumer, you're selling based on the emotion and whatever the gift is, making them seeing that their friends and family will love the gift that they are about to buy. So given that perspective, now what are the top 5 products that you can actually sell before the Christmas holiday so that you can actually make the most money? So with that, let's dive right in. Product idea number 1 are ugly sweaters. Every single Christmas season, people spend a fortune on buying ugly Christmas sweaters. They wear it into their parties, they wear it to really do the countdown for Christmas and all those other things. And oftentimes people will want to buy new ugly sweaters. And this is a perfect opportunity. Now, in fact, you don't want to actually just sell one ugly sweater. You want to actually sell either a family pack or also a couple pack so that people get to choose to buy one or for a couple or for a family so that instantly you can actually increase your average order value. Now, product number 2 is print on demand hoodies. Now, I'm saying to actually do hoodies instead of t-shirt because hoodie gives a much higher perceived value as a gift than a t-shirt. Now, with these hoodies, what you want to do is to ensure that there is a specific message that really showcase to the friends and family that they are buying it to. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you have a friend that is really into cryptocurrency. Well, guess what? If you see a hoodie that talks about cryptocurrency and you run out of ideas of what product you should buy as a gift for your friend, you may most likely buy that. Because after all, you know your friend is into cryptocurrency, and when they actually receive a shirt that is having something funny or maybe to the moon or whatsoever that really vocalize cryptocurrency, most likely you're gonna buy it for your friend. And you wanna actually do that when it comes to print-on-demand hoodies. Now, why do I say you should do hoodies instead of t-shirt? The answer is simple. First of all, hoodies is a much higher profit margin. And second of all, to the consumer, when they're buying it as a gift, it is a much higher perceived value than just buying a t-shirt. And the dollar amount is only $10 to $15 difference. People are completely going to be fine on spending a little bit more when it comes to gifts. Now, product idea number 3 is print-on-demand jewelries. Nowadays, if you actually go onto Facebook, and if it is the upcoming holiday of like Valentine's Day or whatsoever, you will actually see a lot of jewelry having a specific message, a note in that jewelry itself. Now, it doesn't have to be on the actual jewelry. It can be right inside the box where people really want to actually have a message to their loved ones. And those can do very, very, very well. And it's perfect if you're buying it for a girlfriend or for your wife or for your mother or your grandmother, right? Or even your daughter. So at the end of the day, what you want to do is to ensure it's not really about the design of the jewelry, it's really about the message that is in the actual box or even the jewelry itself. And that can work phenomenally well. Now, product idea number 4 is educational toys. Now, I'm not telling you to actually sell some random kid's toy. You need to actually have toys nowadays that really inspire education. After all, there are a lot of people that buy products for kids, for their friends' kids, for their grandkids, etc., etc., etc. But you don't want to just buy a stuffed animal. You want to actually buy a product or a gift or sell a gift that is simply having educational purpose behind it. There are more and more kids product nowadays, especially on AliExpress, that are toys but inspired by education. And these are the best gifts that anyone can actually buy for their friends' kids or even your kids as a whole. And guess what? You can just advertise to parents and people that are literally looking for gifts for kids. Because after all, people actually spend more money on kids than adults when it comes to the upcoming Christmas season. Now, last but not least, number 5 is consumer gadgets. Listen, even I myself personally, when I run out of ideas of what to buy my friends, I just look for some random consumer gadgets. Because after all, there is some sort of perceived value in electronics and consumer gadgets. And as long as the consumer gadget is useful in some way, shape, or form, then it's going to be easily sellable when it comes to selling it as a gift. Now, that being said, again, right now, if you start gearing up campaigns that are tailored as gifts ideas or gifts and start advertising it, you could actually make a lot of money before the Christmas day actually comes about. Now, if you are brand new and want to actually learn exactly how to build your own Shopify business, listen, I'll have some links in the video description right down below that you can actually check out, and they're 100% free. So with that being said, if you already have a Shopify store, consider selling any of these 5 products, if not all 5 of these products, right into your store. You will be amazed with the results that you are going to get. So listen, if you enjoyed this video, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. Till next time.